Hi everybody, this is Mr. Ron. It's time for our weekly circle time. So here I am. This is for the week of April 20th through the 24th. So first let's check and see if everybody's here. Oh yes. And next let's see, we'll sing our hello song. Ready? Hola, buenos dias, me llamo Señor Ron, and then you say your name. Nice. Hoy es un buen día, me siento muy feliz. Can you make a feliz face? We'll say, hola, amigos. Nice. Well, let's see if we can do our hellos. So I'll say it, and then you say it back to me. That sound good? All right. Hello. Hola. Bonjour. Buongiorno, Guten Morgen, Ni hao, Ohio, Aloha, Salam, Zdravo, Namaste, Merhaba, Annyeonghaseyo, Privyat, Jambo, Aingai, Yaate, Kiora, Sawadi, Kasalele. Whoa, boy, that's an awful lot of hellos. We did it all, though. So nice job. And now it's time for the days of the week. I just noticed when you watch this, the camera makes everything backwards. So the map, when you're here at school, this looks different because this over here is on this side. And this over here is on this side. And we start with Mercury and run all the way to the end here. But when you're at school, we start with Mercury and we run all the way to the end. That's just crazy. So everything's backwards. But, I don't know. Do I look backwards? I don't know. Are you ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And the weekend is Saturday and Sunday, stay-at-home days. You ready for Spanish? Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes. And we'll do the turtle for the weekend. You ready? Sábado y domingo, stay at casa days. Oh, no. And French. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi. And the weekend, and we'll do the weekend as the tough guy. Samedi, dimanche, stay at maison days. Oh! Nice going. And normally we would look up here. I guess if you were at school, we would look over here. But anyway, it's backwards. But we'll look up and we'll see normally what would be on the wall. But there's nothing on the wall. But I have it all here in my... Actually, I have it. I wrote it all down here. Oh, look, it's all backwards. So I would remember it all. Our color of the week is yellow. So I'll count to three. What? Nope, not yet. I'm going to count to three. And then you look around the room and see if you can see three things that are yellow in your room. And I'll look around the room here. You ready? Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Three things. Well, I didn't have a yellow shirt, but I have gold on this shirt. Gold is kind of yellowy. And this is sort of a tea colored, so, you know. Our region this week is, are we region? A letter. Oh, letter of the week. Let's do the letter of the week. Letter of the week is in my hand. Well, actually, I have to be this way because it's backwards. What letter is that? Huh? It's the letter what? It's the letter 2. It's the letter what? No, I'm just joking. It's the letter L. And you make the letter L by pointing a finger up and a finger out. See? Here's my hand. I'm going to put this one down and this one down. Oh, I'm so sleepy. No. And you just, that's how you make the L. Let's do our alphabet song. And we'll do as many of the sign language letters as we can. I'll try and do it with this hand. I usually do it with your right hand, but on the computer it's backwards. So I'm going to try and do it with this hand, but this hand isn't as smart as this hand. So we'll see if we're going to have any trouble over here. You ready? So do the ones you know how to do, and we'll do it together. Are we ready? I didn't check. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hey, got them all. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now I'm all messed up. I'm all confused. But we did it. We got the whole song. I got all the letters. It took me a while. Our science this week is mountains. So there's going to be some videos on here that'll be, put them in the links, and there'll be videos about mountains. The difference between a mountain and a hill is how tall it is. And there's, it's an official number. So if it's a certain height, it is considered to be a hill. But if it's 1 inch taller than that, then it becomes a mountain. So you have a little mountain, you can have a really big hill, but you'll be seeing some videos about mountains. And our region is Argentina. And I thought, usually we go through, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm just so sleepy. Usually through the week we would talk a lot about our region, but since you're not here, I thought I would tell you 5 interesting facts about Argentina. And there's some Argentina videos in the links, so you can watch those. So, Argentina is in South America. It means land of silver. Argent is Latin for silver. So, Argentina means land of silver. In Argentina, Spanish is the main language. So if you were in Argentina, you could go up to someone and say, hola. And you guys know some Spanish from Miss Rebecca and having Spanish class. So you maybe could be able to talk to people in Argentina. Even though Spanish is the main language, they have a lot of different languages in Argentina that they speak. But sorry, Spanish is the main one. Let's see the next one. It's the 8th largest country in the world. Largest in how wide and big the country is, not how many people it has. It's the 2nd biggest, largest country in South America after Brazil. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. And Buenos Aires means good air. I don't know why it's called Buenos Aires, but what Buenos Aires means, Buenos means good, and Aires means air, so good air. Let's see. Oh, the city in Argentina called Ushuaia is the farthest south anywhere on the planet. All the way down at the very bottom of Argentina, you're right next to Antarctica. So there's a little city called Ushuaia, and it is the farthest south. It's the closest city to Antarctica. And in Ushuaia, guess what they have in Ushuaia. They have penguins. They get penguins in Ushuaia. They just come up to your house. Hey, this penguin's trying to get in the house. No, I don't like that. And then the national game of Argentina is called pato. Pato is a little bit like football, but you play it on horseback. And the reason it's called pato, pato is Spanish for duck. And today, when they play pato, they use a ball. But originally, when they played pato, they had a basket with a duck in it. And you had to keep the duck in the basket while you played the game. So that sounds like it would be very, very hard. I don't know if anyone plays it today with a basket with a duck in it. Most of the time they use a ball. But, yeah, you could look it up and see. Maybe I'll see if I can find a video of people playing pato. All right, and the last thing we were going to do is we were going to do our, what we would normally be doing this week. Monday is supposed to be bring in yellow food. So on Monday, maybe you guys can look in the refrigerator, look in your cupboards, Mom or Dad, and see if you can spot foods that are yellow. And if not, if you can't find very many, maybe you can sit down and try and think of foods that are yellow. Tuesday at school, it would be we write our names. So you could try writing your name on Tuesday. See how you do. Try and fill up a whole page with your name. See if you can do that. And then when you get all done, look at it and see if there's any spaces and you can write your name again. And so a whole page. Wednesday at school would be we try food from Argentina. And there's a lot of very yummy foods that come from Argentina. So maybe you guys, you and Mom and Dad can look on the computer and see if you have ingredients to make something from Argentina. And if you don't, maybe you can just look at some of the foods and see if there are things that you have had before or things that you recognize. Thursday is the day we would wear yellow. That one's really easy. You can look around and see if you've got anything yellow you want to wear and put it on. And then Friday, if we were at school, we would be cooking with lemons. I wonder how you cook with lemons. Well, there's a lot of things you can cook with lemons. Some people like having pasta with lemon in it. Some people make lemon meringue pie. Or some people add lemon to some foods that normally don't taste like lemon that they want to be a little bit tangy. Like a lot of times jam, when you make jam or jelly, you add lemon to it to give it a little bit of a tanginess. Like most berry jams have a little bit of lemon in them so that they have a little bit of a tanginess. But you can ask Mom or Dad if you guys can make something with lemons. Cook something. Let's see. Let's look at my list. That's everything on the list. So I guess that's it. I miss you guys. I hope to see you guys again soon. And until then, I'll be thinking about you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.